What if AI were available to everyone? That's what we're building. Raspberry Pi RP2040 plus ESP32. This is UDOO KEY. Use the 9-axis motion sensors to track data in real time and send it to the cloud using Clea, our own AI platform ready to use for UDOO KEY. With its digital microphone and Clea pre-built AI models, you can identify sounds in real time and send them wirelessly through Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Bluetooth Low Energy via the fully programmable ESP32 onboard. Or you can compute your data at the edge with either Raspberry Pi RP2040, ESP32, or both, and build your AI project on your terms. Keyword recognition, for example.
Hey UDOO, make me a coffee.
Plus, any accessories for Raspberry Pi Pico are compatible out of the box. UDOO KEY can also run computer vision AI applications. It comes with pre-built no-code Clea apps, and it's even compatible with all cameras and kits for RP2040 and any UIXT modules available on the market.
Honey, mommy's here.
There are tons of projects you can build with UDOO KEY. You can make your own tools, programs, even toys to enhance your daily life. Really, the sky's the limit. We are creating UDOO KEY to let you build impossible things. But to make this happen, we need your help. Back this project today and tell your friends. UDOO KEY, making AI available to everyone.